Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account so changes stick. Once signed in, open Device Manager using Win+X and select Device Manager. This gets you to hardware settings fast. Make sure to enable View Right Arrow Show Hidden Devices so any ghosted adapters appear. Now locate the device category you need, typically network adapters, universal serial bus controllers, or system devices, and expand it. Once done, right-click the target device to access properties as the first actionable step toward revealing the Power Management tab. Next, open the device properties and switch to the Driver tab. Update the driver first because many built-in drivers hide power options. If Update Driver finds nothing, click Uninstall Device, then install the manufacturer's driver package. This restores full settings. Use Rollback if a recent update removed the tab. Once the vendor driver is present, reopen Properties. The Power Management tab appears when the driver exposes power features. Make sure to apply changes, and do not skip a full restart to commit the driver. Finally, open the newly visible Power Management tab and enable the relevant boxes such as allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Restart Windows to ensure settings take effect, then test by putting the system to sleep or observing device behavior. If the tab is still missing, reinstall the vendor driver, try a different driver version, and verify BIOS or UEFI power and I/O settings aren't preventing OS control. If that fails, use the vendor support utility to force the correct driver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.